Understanding Formal Proof, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of language and logic. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of the term formal proof in English. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about English, this video is designed to help you grasp this concept clearly. So, let's get started. Formal proof is a term often used in mathematics, logic, and computer science. It refers to a process of demonstrating the truth of a statement using logical reasoning and well-defined steps. Unlike informal proofs, which might rely on intuition or general understanding, formal proofs are meticulous and rigorous. They are based on a series of statements, each of which is logically derived from previous ones or accepted axioms. Formal proofs consist of several key components. Axioms. These are statements accepted as true without proof. Theorems. These are statements that are proven based on axioms and previously proven theorems. Logical deductions. Each step in a formal proof involves deducing a new statement from the existing ones, using logical rules. Conclusion. The final step of the proof that demonstrates the truth of the theorem. Formal proofs are essential for several reasons. 1. Accuracy. They ensure that conclusions are reached without errors. 2. Clarity. They provide a clear and understandable sequence of logic. 3. Universality. Their structured nature makes them universally comprehensible, regardless of language or personal interpretation. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of formal proof for you. Remember, understanding such terms not only enriches your English vocabulary but also enhances your logical thinking skills. Keep exploring, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning!